Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Thursday to you. Airbnb IPO'd today. It was offered at what, $68. It came out at 146, shot up, and then kind of came back down. So it ended up at 145. We got 10 shares on the long term at 149, and on Webull, I also picked up oh, it's gone up after hours. That's good. I also picked up shares on Webull too. Let me log into that. On Webull, we got another 10 shares, and I got them at a price of, this one's 149. See what this one shows. Look, 144. I kind of scaled into it. So we got 10 on this one, 10 on that one, and then I actually have I got 100 shares on a Morgan Stanley account that I opened up to get it for the direct to IPO that they were offering their hosts. So we've been a super host in Airbnb for years, and so I think I've never done it before, but I think those shares I got at the IPO price of $68. I'm hoping. It's not very straightforward. It says 24 hours for your shares to appear on the account. I haven't seen it yet. We'll see though tomorrow. Hopefully I'll show you 100 shares at an average cost of $68. So that's exciting if that works out. But yeah, we'll see about Airbnb. I mean, it's pretty high up here on the evaluation, but I like it for the long term either way. And on the Webull account, I'll probably swing trade it. And then I just want to get a lot of money into it because I think it's gonna go pretty crazy. What else we got going on here? So that's Airbnb. My KSS, my what is it? Coles. KSS. I rolled over. It was all credit spread. I rolled it over because I didn't see it coming down to the price that we needed it to by tomorrow. Wow, Webull. Wow, Webull. Yeah, so here it is. I roll it over to the next Friday, 37.5, 40 call. And now our credit's on, it's $760. We had to put up more collateral, of course. Our collateral's now $1250 on it. So we'll see. I think it still is gonna come down. Come on, Webull. This Webull? Is this KSS? Broken. It's broken. Anyways, that one, yeah, hopefully that one's all right. Look at it on the hood. Yep. So it's kind of starting to trend down. After hours, it's up another percent. Uh-oh. But I rolled it over when it was high today, so to hopefully collect more premium on the rollover, and I think it helped because we're actually up $45 on this spread so far. To break even, I don't even know what I need on this to break even. I think I need at least, I don't know. I'm not even sure. Anyways, I sold a call on Rocket. Rocket's going up, and then it kind of came back down today, but I sold a call earlier, and now that's gaining value. T, of course, came back down, so hopefully we get exercised on this tomorrow and we sell our shares. This is a cover call we did. And then the Tesla credit spread. So I looked at rolling this over. Tesla, man. This thing just went crazy today. I couldn't believe it. This is not showing extended hours. Wow. Wow. There it is. So today it was doing this. This morning it sold off last night. Came all the way down to 566, and at one point this thing was at 0. So today's return was 0. Should have closed it out. I thought it has a lot of momentum. It's already below the strike. And then it starts doing this. I'm like, okay, it's a dead cat bounce. Bull. Why is this going so slow? What in the world? Bull trap, whatever you want to call it. And then the thing just keeps going. Like, you can't ever. Tesla kind of breaks all of the all the rules with charts and like typical. Typical stuff, it seems like. Then it just keeps going. It's like, okay, it's a hard bounce off of 566, whatever that means. And it's really green here, tons of momentum. I mean, I see it bouncing off the 180-day moving average. And it's definitely got support like on 597, but it was way below that. So I don't know if this is still like a big dead cat bounce or if it's just because typically after this much bearish and downward momentum, it's going to kind of flatten out and then continue or just keep going. It's not going to just bounce and start going back up. So I'm hoping this will come down tomorrow. I mean, it's going to be pretty far now, but hopefully it'll come down to here. I need it below 580. I don't think I'm going to roll this because it was just too crazy. I had to put up more collateral, more than I wanted to. I'm already at 1500 on the collateral. Yeah, so I'm hoping it'll come down, and maybe I'll just, if it just comes down some, the share price, then I'll just take a loss on it, maybe a smaller loss, but we'll see on that. Debit spread, of course, is still doing well. I sold a covered call on my 100 shares of Give. Give was up today, up $43 on Give, 4%. That's a SPAC that's merging with a wholesale mortgage company. And here's our 10 Airbnb shares, which we're down on a little bit. Yep, Tesla went up today. Square was up today. Rocket actually ended up going down. T came down. ABNB came down. This shows such weird stuff. When I rolled over this KSS credit spread, it said negative 700. So I don't know what it was saying, but yeah, this week's been all right. Hopefully we can get out of this one and this one all right, and then we'll be golden. On our Webull, again, 10 shares, Airbnb. We also have the C3, which was a IPO. Wow. There you go. C3.ai, IPO from yesterday that we picked up 13 shares of. It's up today. It's up today 40%. And so I'll probably just hold this for a bit. Not something I really care for long term. It's more of a swing trade. Might start scaling out once it seems like it's kind of hit a top. Oh my gosh, don't even mess with the E-Trade right now. But yeah, it's looking good. It's already passed its first initial reigns of IPO, and this is a nice bull flag, and it's running. So I'm stoked on that. 312 on that. Stitch Fix, as you remember, we have a call on it. What in the world? And it is doing well. 48% up on that. It's almost in the money. It came down a little bit after hours. 59.21. I'm basically waiting until this blink put. Once I can sell this blink put, I keep putting orders out to sell it, and it doesn't sell. So once I can market sell this, then I'm going to close out of the other options. So I'll just take my gains on this and walk. Even though Stitch Fix, I mean, this is really strong looking. It's way overbought, even on that. Is this like how dial-up was? I never traded in the stock market during dial-up. Yeah, it's way overbought on the daily chart, as you can see. But I don't know. This thing is showing solid signs of growth. So that one I'll sell out all those options though once Blink will close, and that might be a bit, which is fine because this thing is doing well. And then E-Trade, Asta. E-Trade, we're doing well. Arlo, is it up today? Yeah, up today, 1.83%. Covered call, also up 20%. This expires on the 20th. No, it's confusing on here. For oh, it is on the 20th. Okay. So as this slowly gains, this will slowly lose value as long as it stays below that. The Kodak spread. Kodak came up today a little bit, but this is still doing fine. I tried to close it out, but it didn't fill. Wasn't a high enough price. UVXY came up today. So same with the VIX. I'm not even sure why. I wasn't really looking at the SPY much today. Oh, what the... Okay. Well, yep. That's a Chinese brokerage for you. Webull. They do good. I like them. KSS. Don't go up after hours. Keep going down. Yeah, I'm not too worried about this. I have till next Friday. And on the daily chart, it's still overbought. So I think it'll has more room to kind of settle down a bit. And then this spread will be worthless, which is what we want. So yeah, happy with the Airbnb. It might settle down. It's valued pretty high right now. I kind of wanted to get in though, because it met the criteria for a IPO of a channel I watch. Basically, if it meets 50% of the float, so it's trading what, 50 million shares, so 25 million in volume in the first 10 minutes, and it's not at a crazy price, then it's a strong bullish signal, and we kind of went in on it with that in mind. I maybe would have had a little better strike, but I kind of was just trying it out on this one with this IPO, seeing how it works, and yeah, we'll see. I want it in the long term anyways, so if anything, we'll just average down if it goes down a lot. And then hopefully we have the shares of Airbnb at $68, which we should. And if we don't, then I'm going to be making some phone calls because something's not right. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down, make your money happy money. So stick around tomorrow. Some of these expire. Hit the notification bell so you see what we do with this. This might be tomorrow might be a big down day if I have to take losses on Tesla. I'm not even sure how that will reflect on the balance there, because right now it's down 596, but then to close it, it's like $1,400. It's this amount, so I don't. And then it only releases 1,500. It's like, okay. So I don't know. We'll see how that works out. But I'm already down 70%. So basically, I can only lose another like $300 on it. So I might just kind of hold it and see if. Yeah, I'll close it out early tomorrow if there's no way it's gonna expire out of the money, which it probably won't. Tesla's can't mess with Tesla. All right, see you tomorrow. Peace out.